Today we're making pickled green beans. Come on in, welcome to my home. Here's a different kind of pickle. It's pickled green beans. These are so easy, and I have cleaned green beans. This is the easy part. I'm going to place them into my container, stack them as neatly as I can. My hands are very clean. The green beans have been, the ends have been removed. And I'm going to pack this as tightly as I can. All the ingredients, of course, are listed down below in the description. I have to leave a little bit of room because there are some other things which go in here. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. Now I've got an onion, garlic that I have quartered, a bay leaf, and I really want to make sure that I get those down in there, and some peppercorns. Alright, you're like, okay, that's interesting. What about the rest of the stuff? This is the easy part. I have apple cider vinegar, wine, I'm using a white wine, sugar, and I'm using raw sugar. You can use whatever kind of sugar you like, and then sea salt. I'm going to take this over to the stove and bring this up to a boil. Boil it for 2 minutes, then we'll come back. Our liquid has boiled for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to pour this into a canning jar. Please remember to do this in a jar that can handle this amount of heat. You want to pour that within a ½ inch of the top. Put your lid on. Give it a nice shake. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 48 hours. Since I know I'm going to be using this right away, I'm not like all that big on making sure it seals properly and everything, because I know I'm going to be using this right away. If you're not going to be using this right away, you want to do the whole canning procedure, make sure it seals properly. We'll come back in 48 hours and it'll be all ready. Okay, it has been 72 hours since we made our green bean pickles. Let's give these a taste. They're nice and firm. Those are good. They're sweet, they're tangy, they have this incredible garlic, vinegar, onion, and pepper taste. You can definitely taste all the different flavors that mix in together with this. They're spicy. Those are really, really good. I would recommend this. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.